In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. If you're cleaning up your workspace, handing a page back to a client, or simply reorganizing assets, removing a page from your business is a quick process. Before we begin, a quick note. Removing a page from Meta Business Suite disconnects it from your business account and its assigned people, but it does not delete the page itself. You can usually add it back later if you still have page access. Start by heading to Meta Business Suite using your browser or the app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and double-check that you've selected the right business in the account switcher at the top. If something doesn't look familiar, you might be in the wrong business, so switch to the correct one before moving on. Next, open Settings. On desktop, look for the gear icon, typically in the lower left of the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full menu. Settings is where you control access, assets, and connections for your business, so it's the right place to make changes that affect pages. Inside Settings, go to Pages. This area shows all Facebook pages currently connected to your business account. From here, you can manage your pages by adding or removing them. Find the page you want to remove. Open its details and look for an option like Remove from Business or Disconnect. Click it and confirm the removal when prompted. You may see a warning explaining what access will be revoked. Read it carefully so you understand who will lose permissions once the page is no longer attached to your business. A few tips to keep things smooth. You generally need to be a business admin to remove a page. If the remove option is grayed out, ask an admin to adjust your role or complete the action for you. If the page is set as your business's primary page, you may need to change the primary page first before you can remove it. Also, if the page is tied to assets like ad accounts, pixels, catalogs, or partners, you might be asked to unassign those connections in the page's details before removal. Once removed, your team's business-level access to that page ends immediately, but the page remains live on Facebook. If you personally have page admin rights outside the business, you'll still see it in your profile's pages and can manage it there. That's it. You've successfully removed a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite.